Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Jessica, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Gagandeep Jindal, Principal of Sacred Heart Universal School, Bilaspur, Moga, emphasized that innovation is vital in contemporary curriculum design and that rote learning is now obsolete. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what Sir had to say.
So good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Edu Leaders Show. Today we have with us Mr. Gagandeep Jindal, Principal, Sacred Heart Universal School, Bilaspur, Moga. So welcome to the summit, sir. How's that experience being here?
It was a great experience, and what I expect from today's seminar, I learned a lot of things, especially from Pandey sir's lecture.
Right.
I learned how we can inculcate among the students about patriotism.
Right.
So it was a great experience with the Time to Grow and with the Edu Bulletin.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
So as we are talking about, global curriculums.
Yes.
So how do you think the innovation plays a role in designing the curriculums for today?
Yes, innovation is must in the education, in the curriculum, because without innovation, I think education is nothing.
Right.
If students are focusing on rote learning,
Right.
then I think so that is useless. So, like at present, we are dealing with the 21st century kids.
Right.
So, if our students they are more innovative, if our curriculum is innovative, then definitely our students, our generation, our nation, that will definitely become creative, innovative.
Right. Absolutely, sir. So, with the introduction of new education policy,
Yes.
we have been seeing that the success in education has been seen beyond marks.
Yes.
So, what's in your opinion is we can call the success if student is concerned or a teacher is concerned.
Yes, I agree with your point that now in these days, numbers, marks are not that much important.
Absolutely.
So, like in the curriculum, in the education, so we have to think beyond the books,
Right.
and we should give the open platform to the students so that they can learn beyond the books. They can learn from the surrounding. They should learn the social values.
Right.
And in the present scenario, as we see that the kids are not emotionally stable.
Right.
So on this part, the schools have to work a lot. So emotional intelligence, that is must. So we are already implementing all these things in our school.
Right.
Like our main focus is kids' happiness, students' happiness.
Right.
If students are enjoying the class, if students are enjoying the teacher's company, they are open up with the teacher, then definitely they will learn good values.
Right.
And they will learn what the NEP told. So we are working day by day on these things. So definitely we will fulfill the expectations of NEP.
Absolutely, sir. Thank you so much for sharing your views.
Thank you.
It's our pleasure to have you here.
Thank you. Same here.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 72170701000 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news updates and inspiring interviews from the Edu Bulletin.